I'm saying, wake that nigga up! Did it come with stickers though? Hell yeah! What's good, everybody? DRELAMARR back at it with another one. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the power steering fluid on your LS430 or any other car. This is not just specific to a LS430. Basically, I'm gonna show you a simple way using two simple things: siphon tool, bottle, just to put it in. Simple. Gonna repeat the process a few times to get it all out because the steering rack also has it in there. So we're gonna go through the whole process, get it all out, and try to get it as clean as possible. Alright, so I'm back from taking that test drive, letting it mix up real good. It drove normal as usual, smooth, everything cool. Let's go ahead and see what color it is. Getting close to getting it out. It's starting to turn red. Finished putting that last bottle of transmission fluid in there. Both of these are empty. Here's the last one after 2 bottles. I know it's some newer power steering fluid in there. If I want to do more, I could just go get some more tomorrow, but it's kind of late now, so we're gonna end this video there. Thank you for watching.